young coach, no, na wala namang idea sa ganitong klaseng level right away, no. But again, thankful ako sa mga sumuporta. Nakita ko yung suporta ng kababayan natin that came out here, and I'm sure marami nanood, diba? So yun lang, and I'm happy that kahit yung mga boys, mga players, nalabas na nila success itong first game. We just have to move forward and just learn from all our mistakes from this game. Kasi not look too much on the positive, but improve the negative.
Nagulat ka ba rin sa first 3 minutes ng Vietnam?
Nagulat ako. Kasi wala talaga kaming idea dun sa team na itong Vietnam. Hindi namin makita. Yung sa mga scouts na wala kaming makita. Tatlong players lang. Alam namin yung mga shooters and some big guys. We don't have any idea. So, gulat, but
Time out ka, 7 minutes to go.
Tinan mo naman, diba? Nag-panic. Time out ka agad. But, no, it's not actually panic. It's just a reminder sa mga players na this is not gonna be easy road, diba? So, kasi yung kalaban namin, best of the best din ang country nila yan sa age group nila. Pareho lang nila. Diba? Hindi naman angat kami because 16 years old kami, tapos sila mga 15 no. It's the same group best of the best nila ng countries nila. So, yun lang alayin ko. Ni-remind ko lang sila.
Ikaw, did you have to remind yourself anything?
I have to remind myself to stay calm, relax, just trust my instinct. Yun lang.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.